educational purposes only channel. No children.
Good morning, Grummy. Today is Saturday, February the 7th. It's time to get some mail calls done and get these ladies all fed up. Of course, this little American gangster, she just got her 80 mils of water this morning. She is day 4 of week 1. Alright, let's go jump on in. I'm going with the Dr. Earth instant. I'm feeling wore out and lazy. So we're going with the Dr. Earth instant to give everybody a feed, and we'll get into that in a minute. I'll be back in a flash. Okay, dokie. Here's what we're starting with. The Dr. Earth liquid concentrate requires a lot of pH up. That's the only downfall with that. Back in a flash. Okay, dokie. I use all 3. I have never used anything but Fox Farm, Ocean Forest, and well, we got some Happy Frog going on this round of Ocean Forest and Happy Frog 50-50 mix. But I've never used anything but Dr. Earth. I just turned down a shot of some Kronk nutrients. I ain't interested in changing up. I've always had the little pumps, on hand for quick fixes, but I was real happy with how this did with the cheese for that entire film run. 4 tablespoons per gallon every 2 weeks. Now, when I was doing the feminizing the cheese, I hit them once a week with this, and I ran into some blockout right at the very end of the run. I'm guessing I should do about a feed every 10 days, but for this case here, we're going to go with every 2 weeks. We're just going to do it every 2 weeks, and if she looks like she's getting needing a little CalMag or something, I'll give it to it. But I've never had to CalMag anything using Dr. Earth. I basically don't use silica or CalMag at all. I'll use some silica on the outdoor runs for foliar spray when it's really, really fucking hot to try to help them out, but I don't like using silica. I don't like having to CalMag my shit. And I just don't need it with the Dr. Earth. But I'm going to go with this round. I'm going to go 1 tablespoon of the homegrown tomato, vegetable, and herb. 1 tablespoon of the all-purpose. And 2 tablespoons of the Flower Girl Bud and Bloom Booster. Because everything is in flour. I'm going to get this mixed up. We'll jump on into the 3x3 and get these mail calls going on so I can multitask. Back in a flash. Yeah, buddy. Got her mixed up. Gonna probably take about 20 mils of pH up to get it dialed in. I'll see you in the 3x3. It took 30 mils of pH up to get her dialed in. Could give it a little bit more, but I'm happy with the 6.2. See what I say? Okay, dokie. Before we get into this mail call, I'm gonna give this cheese a liter of the butt chug while we get into the mail call. Fat Buds Jr. is fucking pissed. I got the roughhousing with him yesterday and snapped the neck on his flower. He is not happy. In fact, I'm getting the silent treatment. I told him not to worry. Papa, I'll take care of it. A little organic honey and some blue painter's tape. I'll have his little flower smiling away. I pray for me, Grummies. God knows I don't want to wake up in the middle of the night with little Fat Bud standing on my heart with a pike in his hand. Pray for me. All right, we're gonna let the cheese. Oh, let's see. The cheese is day 7 of week 8. I do believe. Day 7 of week 8. But let's get into the mail call. I want to give a big shout out to Minnesota Magic Man. There is nothing to show. Minnesota Magic Man sent me a bunch of forever stamps. International and domestic. I appreciate you very much, brother. Whew. I got 2 more to get out. I gotta get out Poopy Peanuts. I gotta send him some love, and I gotta send Cavs some love. Other than that, I should have everybody done. If I said I was gonna send you something, and you haven't received it, or recently gotten an email from me with a USPS tracking number, then you need to get in touch with me, because I forgot your ass. Oh yeah, I appreciate you very much, Minnesota Magic Man. You are awesome. Now, on to Poopy. Poopy. Man, y'all Grummies you don't realize how many emails I get. I send out a lot of shit under the radar. Grummies that, growing in areas, you know what I mean? And then I want to be shouted out and shit. You gotta send me. You gotta at least give me your handle. But anyways, Poopy sent me beanies. Now, I'm gonna need your help, Grummy. You're gonna have to put on your Einstein hat and help me decipher these hieroglyphics. What's going on with these beans? I'm going to set up a cam for you so you can look over these damn hieroglyphics and help me sort this out. And while you're doing that, I'm going to get my wakey-bakey going on with my Puffco, because I learned a long time ago not to wake and bake when you're mixing nutrients. Or you're going to do it 2 or 3 times if you catch your mistake. Let me get you set up for to decipher the hieroglyphics back in a flash. Okay, dokie. Oh, I'll get my little Puffco fired up here. Put on your thinking caps, Grummies. Let me know what you think about these hieroglyphics. Let me decipher a little bit. My brain is starting to smoke a little bit. Here we go. I'm gonna be tits on the hog the rest of the day. Alright, so what we got? We got Animal Star cookies, the rig, Stardog. So all these should be rigged photos. That's crossed with the Blue Dream. Oh my God. My brain's getting scrambled here. So we got Blue Dream Auto and a rigged photo. So I take it that we're trying to make some fast flowering photos. I don't know, Grummies. Help me out. One more rip on this Puffco and we're going to jump on over here into the 2x2. I'm going to hand water with the syringe, the other liter into this Ouija cheese. I'll make it hard on old man. Ooh. All right, we got to put the Puffco to the side. All right. Okay, dokie. Better hold on to the reins, Grimmy. This little fella getting ready to take the fuck off. Oh my God, the wind is ripping here. It's cold as fuck. It's trying to peel the fucking roof off this damn mobile home. It is ripping. And we got snow last night. God damn it. Okay, okay. Thank you very much, Poopy Peanuts and Minnesota Magic Man. Y'all are fucking awesome. I appreciate you muchly. This is my little F2 Dream Rider. I'm happy with the F2. I wish I wouldn't have fucking topped it by accident. I should have sipped before I ripped. Now I'm hoarse. She is day 5 of week 8 in a 3-gallon pot. Tall pots. Man, I'm telling you, tall pots are the shit for the autoflowers. The tall pots are the shit. Oh, I'm gonna finish that off. I'm gonna let you carry on down the road. Let me get you up off of here. Have a fantastic weekend, Grummies. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.